early morning, so good morning to everyone. If you're tuning in, it's probably not morning, maybe a nighttime, but for me, it's early in the morning. And today, I'm not transplanting my peach trees, but I have a lot of space inside the pots. So I'm going to be pulling the peach trees out of the pot and adding soil to them and then putting them back in there until I get some bigger pots for them. So that's what we're doing today. I'm gonna show you real quick. So it's about, I would say, 3 inches at least of space. I say like 3 to 5, or between 2 and 5. I could be wrong. I didn't do exact measurements, but it's a lot of space in there. So we're just gonna add soil to the bottom, do some weeding because it looks like it's grass popping up in here and everything. So that's the goal for the day, and let's get started. All right, so this is what tree number 1 looks like. I see no kind of roots down here. All I see is pine straw. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna still do what I got to do, or the roots might be rotten. Good job. All right, so here's what we have in here right now. I grabbed the soil that I have not sifted. I have wood chips and sifted soil, and I'm going to add bone meal for ideal for bulbs, trees, shrubs, and potted plants. And then we're gonna put that back in there. But I was expecting the roots to be balled up and struggling, but it looks like I've probably been overwatering it and the roots are starting to rot. Well, starting is not even the question. They are rotten. That's why I don't see a whole lot of them. So, yes, we're about to fix that right now. Okay, so I loosened up the bottom a little bit because if you saw before, it had took on the shape of the bottom of the pot. So I went ahead and loosened it up a little bit, and we're gonna drop her back in. All right, this one got a little more roots showing, a couple more, but not a whole lot. I'm sorry, Peaches, for overwatering you, but this one looks a little better, slightly, I mean, for what it's worth. So we're gonna loosen this up and do the same thing. Yeah. It got rained on. Oh man, that sucks.
What?
It's not supposed to be clumped up like that. So, oh, dang, this stuff stink. All right, come over here. You can stop it. Let me just be gentle. All right, let's go.
Hey, you slapped the phone.
Hmm?
You slapped the camera.
Sorry. See, you filled up all of that space. So, here we go. Water it in. You can stop. Ooh. Look. Look, the roots are in here. So that one is a little different. I ain't had no roots stuck the first time. This one has a little more roots than the other one. That's a good sign. So, for what it's worth, I'm gonna water it today and we won't water it again for a little bit. All right, that's it, y'all. 3 trees repotted. Let's see what happens in a few weeks. So they're all watered in. You see all of that space is gone. So now we got more soil at the bottom, some plant food down there, and less watering this time. So that's all I got for you guys today. Like, share, subscribe, leave comments, be nice, and I love you guys. Have a great day.